Hello, welcome friends to my first tutorial that how to do molecular docking, MD simulations and MMGBSA or MMPBSA. Okay, so I am going to tell you how to do it without any paid software. There are a lot of softwares and they are very costly. Everybody cannot afford. So I try to learn those software that are very simple to operate and very easy to learn. So in the COVID pandemic case, molecular docking and simulation have given a lot of publications to the researchers. So in during that time also I also explored for such kind of activities how to do this because previously I have done it, but they were the paid software, so I used trial version of that. Okay, so it is not available all the time to pay 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs per year for a simple molecular docking software. So I did it without paying a single penny. So I would like to share with all of you. Uh, Now, what are the things which are important? So yes, now what are the requirements to run all this software? First of all, they can be run on Windows also, but Linux is very friendly platform which can be utilized. If you don't know the C line command or C programming language, don't be afraid of it. There are very simple commands which you can do it and you can easily learn it. I did it with the help of my friend and I'm very comfortable to do that without having any computation background. I never learned C programming language or all that. Okay, so these are the list of the software. OpenBabel, it is basically a site where you can draw the ligand structure and how you can paste it into the Chimera or make the PDB file of the ligand, that I will tell you later on. Chimera is basically a molecular docking software and it helps you to get the docking score because rest of the software whichever I know like means so they only give the image but not the docking score. So Chimera gives you the docking score also and different poses also, but it works with the help of Autodoc Vina. Autodoc Vina is also required to download if you want to run Chimera, because without that they have the server which can be operated from USA, but we never get the results properly with that. So if you will download Autodoc Vina along with Chimera, you can do it everything on your computer and you don't have to depend outside people or outside server to do this. Mastro is a visualization software where you can make all kind of images of publication qualities. VMD and NAMD. Mastro, actually I would like to tell you, it's a very good software. I have utilized it. It's trial version, but it is costly. But it gives very precise results also. So VMD is a visualization molecular MD simulation software. NAMD is nanoscale MD simulation software. These these two also can be run on Windows as well as Linux. So if you are not friendly with the Linux, you can do it with the Windows. But yeah, Linux is more friendly than Windows for running these kind of software. Last one is the Umber. Umber is a complete package, but few things very important. It is a very big software and it takes too much time because in my computer and all that, it take almost 7 to 8 days to download it. Okay. Once it is downloaded, it is very useful. It will give you MD simulation. It will give you the MMPBSA and MMGBSA, and so much tutorials are available in the Amber site itself. So very friendly. But since those who don't have computational background, it is little bit difficult to understand. So that problems I would like to solve, and I would like to make it as simple as possible. So how to do that? Okay. Now, yes, this is the important how to do molecular docking. So search for the PDB file. Okay. So here I would like to tell you one thing, that if you don't know the protein, okay, so go to the RCSB site and just like you can type that AKT for ovarian cancer, okay. So you will get n number of options that what are the proteins crystal structure with the ligands are deposited over there. So you can do this. If it is not working, don't waste the time. There are n number of lists. From there you have to select which is important for you, okay. So if I will get that opportunity, I would like to show you how to do that. So yeah, this is like a 5K CV or something like that. I will see if I have somewhere that if it is not, but you can do it by AKT over one ovarian cancer. Okay, so just like simple cancer, cancer, just press it and you will get n number of list. Be patient when you are doing the searching. Yeah, like this. So AKT ovarian cancer. Here important point is that you when you are selecting the protein, so it is the protein code, but you have to see whether what is the resolution structure. Better resolution structure, like it is 1.94 angstrom, okay, another one is 2.46 angstrom. So don't choose it, whoever is better, like 3 angstrom or something like that, it will be helpful for you. So for my purpose I have chosen that 5K CV. Okay, so it is 2.7, pretty good. People used to crystallize as 3.1, 3.4, whatever it is, but it is an important thing. When you have to choose, always choose any protein structure or the complex structure which has ligand bound to it, okay. So that will help you to understand the pocket where you have to do the docking of your ligand. I will go back to my presentation, okay. So this is the yeah, so this is the protein. I have just shown you 5K CV. Okay, so I will. Yes, this is the 5K CV site. It will give you the too much. Now the RCSB site give help us a lot. It gives lot of information just by going to that particular protein structure. Like it will give you the ligand interaction diagram. It will give you the sequence of the amino acid. It will give you the information regarding the binding pocket also. Okay, so if we will go down here, I could show you that it has a ligand interaction diagram too. So ligand interaction diagram, if you will click it, you will get to know where is the binding pocket and with which amino acids ligand is interacting. Okay, so I will not show you from here. I will show you from my presentation because I have already prepared that ligand interaction diagram. Yeah, here it is. So just by going to the next one, yeah, it is the natural ligand which has been crystallized with the AKT1 of Homo sapiens. Okay, so you would see it from here that it has ASP 234, arginine 273, tyrosine 272. So these are the amino acids which are important because these information will help you to prepare your protein for docking. You have to both prepare ligand as well as the protein, then only you can do the docking. Okay, so after later on I will tell you how to prepare the ligand and all that. Okay,